In this video, let's see how to send a demo voice broadcast. In the navigation bar, click on Voice Outreach. Under Voice Outreach, select Voice Broadcast. In the Voice Broadcast section, click on Send Demo. In the pop-up, select Senders. Select a recipient. There are two ways to send demo voice broadcast, voice and message. In case of voice, select the voice option. Upload a pre-recorded voice message and send it directly to your audience. In case of message, select the message option. Enter your message in the message field, and it will be automatically converted into a voice message. In the Setup IVR section, there are dial codes from 1 to 9. If the user clicks on any dial code from 1 to 8, the call will be connected to the number given. Click the plus icon to add a new option. Enter a name. Select a sender. After adding a setup and then the user clicks on the dial code 1, the number will be connected with the assigned person. If the user clicks on the dial code 9, the number gets unsubscribed. Click the Send Demo button. Your demo is now sent successfully. Thank you for your time.